Welcome to a journey that could change your life in just 48 hours. We're about to start on an exploration of manifestation, specifically how to harness its power to land your dream job faster than you might believe possible. It might sound too good to be true, but stay with us. We're going to unpack the steps, the mindset, and the actions needed to turn your dream job into a reality. Manifestation at its core is about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desires. It's about harnessing the power of your mind and the universe to bring your dreams into existence. But here's the key: manifestation isn't magic, it's a catalyst. It works best when paired with purposeful action. We'll show you how to strike that balance, turning your job search into a powerful, focused process. Before we look into the how, let's get crystal clear on the what. Your dream job isn't just a paycheck, it's a significant part of your life. It's where you'll spend a considerable amount of your time and energy. It shapes your days, influences your growth, and contributes to your overall well-being. So, let's paint a vivid picture of what that ideal job looks like for you. What industry excites you? What kind of role do you see yourself thriving in? Are you drawn to a large corporation or a small startup? What kind of company culture resonates with you? What specific tasks and responsibilities light you up? What skills do you want to utilize and develop further? Consider the salary and benefits package that aligns with your needs and lifestyle. And don't forget about work-life balance. How does your dream job fit into the bigger picture of your life? This introspection is crucial. The clearer your vision, the more powerful your manifestation will be. Take your time with this step. Journal, brainstorm, create a vision board, whatever helps you capture the essence of your dream job. There are no right or wrong answers here. Your dream job is unique to you, your aspirations, and your values. Don't let anyone else define it for you. The more authentic your vision, the more fulfilling the outcome will be. Once you have a solid understanding of your dream job, we can move on to the next step, clearing any limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. But for now, savor this vision. Feel the excitement, the possibility. This is where your journey begins. Now that you have a clear vision of your dream job, it's time to address any internal roadblocks that might be standing in your way. We all carry beliefs about ourselves and the world around us, and sometimes these beliefs can limit our potential. Perhaps you've told yourself, "I'm not qualified enough," or "there's too much competition." Maybe you've questioned whether you deserve your dream job. These are common thoughts, but they're not truths. They are simply beliefs, and beliefs can be changed. Limiting beliefs can act like invisible barriers, preventing you from taking the necessary steps to achieve your goals. They can create self-doubt, fear, and procrastination. But the good news is, you have the power to identify and overcome these beliefs. One powerful technique is affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that challenge your limiting beliefs and reprogram your subconscious mind. Repeat phrases like, "I am capable and qualified," or "I attract abundant opportunities," several times a day, especially when you notice self-doubt creeping in. Visualization is another valuable tool. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already in your dream job. See yourself performing your tasks with confidence, interacting with colleagues, and feeling fulfilled. The more vividly you can visualize your success, the more your mind will believe it's possible. Saying limiting beliefs is an ongoing process. Be patient with yourself, and celebrate every step forward. The more you challenge those negative thoughts, the more space you create for positive beliefs to take root. Now that you're clearing the path, it's time to set your intentions. Intentions are like seeds you plant in the fertile ground of your mind. They are the starting point of manifestation. Be clear and specific about what you want. Instead of saying, "I want a good job," say, "I am attracting a fulfilling position as dream job title at a company that values specific values." The more details you include, the more powerful your intention will be. Write your intentions down and review them daily. This keeps your focus sharp and reminds you of what you're working towards. Consider creating a vision board, a visual representation of your intentions. Collect images, quotes, and anything else that inspires you and represents your dream job. Place it somewhere you'll see it often. Setting intentions isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing practice. As you progress on your journey, you might refine your intentions or add new ones. That's perfectly okay. The key is to stay connected to your desires and keep your focus on what you want to manifest. The universe responds to clarity and conviction. The more powerfully you set your intentions, the more likely you are to attract the opportunities and circumstances that will lead you to your dream job. While manifestation is a potent tool, it's essential to remember that it works hand in hand with action. Setting intentions and clearing limiting beliefs create a powerful foundation, but you also need to take practical steps toward your dream job. Think of it this way: manifestation opens the doors, but you still need to walk through them. Start by updating your resume and cover letter, showcasing your skills and experience in the best possible light. Network with people in your desired field, attend industry events, and connect with potential employers online. Actively search for job openings that align with your vision. Tailor your applications to each position, highlighting how your qualifications match the requirements. Prepare for interviews by practicing common questions and researching the company culture. Taking inspired action means approaching your job search with enthusiasm and purpose. It means stepping outside your comfort zone, accepting new opportunities, and following your intuition. Every action you take, no matter how small, moves you closer to your goal. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and make things happen. The universe rewards those who are willing to take bold steps toward their dreams. Gratitude is a powerful amplifier of manifestation. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you create a positive energy that attracts more abundance into your life. Start a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. It could be anything from your health and supportive friends to a recent job interview or a new skill you've learned. The more you focus on the good in your life, the more good you'll attract. Express gratitude for your current situation, even if it's not ideal. Acknowledge the lessons you're learning and the opportunities for growth. And most importantly, express gratitude for your future dream job, as if it's already yours. This doesn't mean being passive or complacent. It means approaching your job search with a positive mindset, trusting that the universe is working in your favor. Gratitude helps you stay motivated and optimistic, even when faced with challenges. The energy you put out into the world is the energy you'll receive back. By cultivating gratitude, you create a magnetic field that attracts positive experiences and opportunities, including your dream job. The job search can be challenging, and there will likely be setbacks along the way. You might face rejections, experience delays, or encounter unexpected obstacles. It's during these times that staying positive and persistent is crucial. Maintaining a positive mindset doesn't mean ignoring the challenges. It means choosing to focus on solutions and possibilities. When you encounter a setback, take a moment to acknowledge your feelings, then shift your focus to what you can learn from the experience and how you can move forward. Persistence is key. Don't give up on your dream job, even if it takes longer than you anticipated. Keep taking inspired action, refining your approach, and learning from your experiences. Remember, every no brings you closer to a yes. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in your dreams. Share your goals with friends, family, or a career coach. Their encouragement and perspective can help you stay motivated and navigate challenges. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each step you take toward your dream job is a victory. Acknowledge your efforts, your resilience, and your unwavering belief in yourself. The job search is a journey, not a race. It's about staying true to your vision, trusting the process, and never giving up on what you truly want. While you approach the final 48 hours of your manifestation journey, it's time to intensify your focus and harness the power of your intentions. This is where the magic truly happens. Set aside dedicated time each day for focused manifestation. Find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted, and allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience. Combine visualization, affirmations, and gratitude. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself receiving the job offer, starting your first day, and excelling in your new role. Repeat affirmations that reinforce your belief in your abilities and your deservingness of this opportunity. Express gratitude for the job, as if it's already yours. During these 48 hours, let go of any doubts or worries. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that your dream job is on its way to you. Believe in the process and surrender to the flow of manifestation. This technique is about creating a powerful surge of positive energy and aligning your entire being with your desire. It's about stepping into the reality of your dream job before it even manifests in the physical world. The 48-hour manifestation technique is most effective when combined with all the previous steps. It's the culmination of your clarity, action, belief, and gratitude. You have the power within you to shape your reality and attract the career you've always dreamed of. The 48-hour manifestation technique is a powerful tool, but remember, it's the combination of clarity, action, belief, and gratitude that will truly unlock your potential. So, start today. Take that first step towards your dream job and witness the magic of manifestation unfold. If you found this journey inspiring and helpful, please consider liking this video, sharing it with others who might benefit, and subscribing to our channel for more empowering content. Remember, together, we can achieve anything.